Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken wings on your Blackstone griddle. Let's get started. First, you're going to find yourself a pound of chicken wings. Preheat your griddle to medium heat. Dry off your wings. Hit them with some oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Mix. Throw them on the Blackstone. Flip. Flip them again. Cook to 160 degrees. Let's make some sauce. In a small pot, add some butter, your favorite hot sauce, wishy sauce, vinegar, pepper, mix. Finally, toss them. Look at that, now you got crispy Blackstone wings. Enjoy.